To transfer the saved data to a PC after a successful measurement, connect the instrument to your PC with a USB cable. Start up the installed Testo software EasyClimate. Go to the menu item Archive. You'll find your documented measurements on the left-hand side. Mark them, mark the folder on your PC where you would like to store the data, and transfer the data to your PC. Then save the data. If you would like to carry out an online measurement, click on Initial Page and open the menu item Real-Time Measurement. Here you can change the measurement cycle and start the measurement by clicking on Start. You now see the data which come directly from the Testo 835. You can also have them displayed graphically as a diagram. You stop the measurement by clicking on Stop. You store the data directly by clicking on Archive, confirm with Yes, select your target folder, and click on Save. In order to display a measurement report, double-click on your data, click on Report, and a measurement report appears.